back to my channel. So I have a very interesting video for you today. About a week ago I received an email from E.L.F Cosmetics and they were having free 2-day shipping. So I never ordered on their website before, but I was just curious to see if they had anything new to try out. And right on the front page it showed a new face mask, and it is a glitter black mask, and it looks something like this. It's E.L.F Pore Refining Peel Off Glitter Mask, and I purchased this for $8, and it's supposed to be a shimmering black peel off mask, and it strips away impurities and dead skin to reduce the appearance of large pores. Peel away dirt, oil, and clogged pores to reveal softer, cleaner looking skin. It is enriched with charcoal, witch hazel, and lavender to reveal a more refined complexion. So I've looked on YouTube and I haven't really seen a video on this, so that's why I figured I'd come on here and demonstrate this product for you. So if you want to see how this works, then keep on watching. Alright, so the product comes in a squeeze tube like this. And you get 2.47 ounces. And it says to apply with a generous, even layer to clean skin, avoid the eyebrows and hairline, and leave on for 30 minutes. The mask will turn from shiny black to matte black as it dries. Peel off from the edges and then rinse any excess with warm water. So, it's got a turning thing. It's got a little strip thing you take off. And then the product's right in there. And then I'm just going to use my hands to put it on. I don't have a brush, so let's see. And it has no smell, so let's get started. Leave this on my face for 30 minutes until it turns matte black like it said. And putting it on, it has a very nice cooling feel. So far I like it, and it does have a lot of glitter on it. So alright, so I will see you back in 30 minutes. Hey guys, so I just wanted to drop in. I have a light right here, so I just wanted to show you all the glitter that's on this facial mask. And right now it's starting to tighten, which is a good sign. So I will see you back in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so I am back and it's very, very tight. So it's been about 30 minutes and I'm going to try and peel it off. I'm a little nervous, but let's see if it does anything. Oh, it's a little painful. Just some spots it kind of hurts. It kind of feels like those nose strips, but it's not too bad. You see a lot of facial hairs on it, which I will try and zoom in on this after I take this off. It's not as bad. It's not bad. And then with all the glitter, you see more glitter than the stuff coming out of the skin. It's not painful. I would say if it gets on your hair, it's a little painful, but it's not bad. I would say the nose strips are actually a little bit more painful than this. And my face feels very, very tight. Just I wish it would come off all in one big piece. Alright, so I'm going to take all this off and then I will give you my final review. Alright, so I took the rest of the facial mask off and I washed off what I couldn't peel off. It did leave a lot of glitter still on my face, and right here was kind of hard to get off, so my skin is a little bit irritated. And I used my micellar cleaning water and just with a cotton swab, and you can see all the glitter on here. But this actually took off the mask pretty well. So, alright, so I am going to give you my final review on this and my thought. I know there's a lot of glitter masks out there and they're kind of expensive, and like I said, this is only $8, and I would recommend this. The only thing is it does leave a lot of glitter still left on your face, but if you could just get a nice good peel off, it didn't leave no glitter and no spots. And I'll kind of try and, it's hard to show you the stuff that came on here because it's with the black. Yeah, it's kind of hard because all you see is the glitter. The glitter, it's very hard, but, and my face does feel very, very smooth. And I do have dry skin, and all the dry patches that I've had on my skin before I used this, it completely came off. So, and I would recommend this for oily skin because it does make your face matte afterwards. Alright beauties, well thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and until my next video, bye beauties. Like I'm barely breathing after we went high.